pretty sure you hit it.
Oh man, this thing is fun. This is so.
Came in right here.
And I think this is 41 Magnum here.
Hit the fuel tank. Came out. And then skimmed the seat. That's crazy. Going for the lawnmower. See what we got. Yeah, stuff came out of there. I think
got
I
smoke.
hit the fuel tank.
That was the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher.
Oh, that happened again. Whoops. What did I do? Oh, whoops.
That may have been the Mauser round.
Wow.
But mine ain't jacketed.
Wow. Yeah.
Or the 6.5, because I shot the 6.5 at it too.
I think somebody else hit here. This might have been 6.5 as well. Unless that was there before.
That's probably the one that came out right here.
Yeah, could have been.
Because yours hit the gas tank, so that would have hit the gas tank.
This
there.
is fresh.
Yeah.
That looks like 8mm Mauser.
Yeah, that one right
Yeah,
there.
bullet
Yeah.
right through the back of the seat.
Yeah. Blew
Yeah.
out there.
So whatever this one was came out through here. Came out there. Came out the back of the seat right back here. All right. All right. There's some fluids coming out right here.
Here's a piece of oil.
I think that came from the headlight.
Yeah. Let's see what a 45 will do to it. That trigger is crazy.
Anybody else?
Not too bad a recoil. That was a hit.
Oh, that hit the bottom down there somewhere. Is that a bolt or is that? No, that's a hole.
Yeah, that
Right
is.
there. Oh, there's
There
a
you
hole
go.
that's going through the block right here.
So yeah, there we go. There's one right there.
One hit the muffler right here. The muffler. Hit the block right there.
Yeah.
Back here. Something hit back here.
Something back there. Yeah, that's new. All right. Let's check it out. Well, I'd say I probably hit it. Yeah.
I'd say so.
That hit.
That was a hit.
Try hit it again. Huh?
Fire away.
All right, let's do it.
It hit something.
Yeah, you hit him. Did I go over him?
I think you hit it.
I think it hit.
Pretty sure you hit somewhere near the steering column.
I was trying for the fuel tank.
Yeah? It's like just underneath the steering column.
Yeah. Sight.
It's makeshift rear sight for the cannon. Let me just hold that there and even it up, and it should be about right. And raise it up just a little bit. So he's lowering the front
All right.
now.
This is what I'm aiming at. I'm aiming low. Get through that one. I'm aiming low. That way, if it hits low, it's going to skip into him.
Well, all right.
If you say so, Will.
If it skips over, though, you think
We'll see the tree fall.
Yeah. Might take some trees down. Well, you missed. It did not hit the anywhere near, I guess.
Fire in the hole. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe that was a hit, fellas.
It was.
Yeah.
That was a good good hit. Check it out. Blew the whole
Right
thing
through.
out. Damn.
Gas tank's gone. Yeah, there's just a discombobulation in there.
I'd say so.
What's the exit wound look like, Will? Let's find out.
Well, there's not much time left over here.
So yeah, stuff got jumbled around.
Not quite where this got hit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Unless it just got knocked down. Unless that's it. No, that's old there.
Where-
It might have just got knocked down when this was rocked. Because if you, I don't know if you saw, but the whole damn mower
Yeah.
rocked.
So, yeah,
Because I didn't have it on there that good.
yeah. So it might have hit off to the
I
side,
think that's what it did. I
and
think
just
the mower
went-
knocked it down.
went over there somewhere. Yeah, because it looked like it probably would have
Pulled the
came
head
out.
of it.
Like it would have came out the side here,
Yeah.
and then because the mower moved, it pushed the heater.
Woo! You
Well,
took out the
dang.
heater. Did you see the ball?
You hit one of the heaters.
Yeah. Did you
Yeah.
see the ball flying down there?
Let's see.
Probably caught it on camera.
That's what I was gonna see.
Oh, dang!
Right? The ball should still be there.
Yeah, so it was right up against it, and then it smacked it.
Damn, where'd it come out?
I don't think it did.
I wonder if you nicked it.
Hey, we got. There it is. Right there. The ball.
Yeah, on the ground.
That's pretty freaking cool.
And that thing's, it hit all the machinery parts inside it. That's why it didn't blow through the.
Yeah.
To the back.